We'll guide you through how to use NotebookLM for PowerPoint presentation. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser on your device to begin creating a PowerPoint presentation using NotebookLM. Next, go to notebooklm.google.com by typing it into the address bar at the top of your browser. After that, press Enter and wait for the NotebookLM homepage to load completely before moving forward. Once the homepage is fully loaded, click the Create New Notebook button to start a new project. Then click the Add Sources button to begin uploading your presentation materials. You can add PDFs, articles, research papers, notes, reports, or other supporting documents that contain information for your presentation. Wait while NotebookLM analyzes all imported content. Once the analysis is complete, review the key insights generated inside the chat panel to ensure that all essential information has been successfully processed and is available for your presentation. Next, open the right-hand panel or Studio section inside NotebookLM. Locate the Slide Deck option and click it to begin creating your presentation. This feature allows NotebookLM to generate structured slides based on the sources and instructions you provide. Choose your preferred presentation format from the available options. Then choose the language for your presentation and review the available presentation settings and customization options. Find the field label, describe the slide deck you want to create. Enter a clear and detailed prompt describing the presentation you want NotebookLM to generate. Then click the Generate button to start creating the slide deck. Wait while NotebookLM analyzes your sources and builds the presentation structure automatically. Finally, review the generated slide deck once it is finished. Confirm that the presentation matches your requirements, objectives, and preferred style before exporting or presenting it.